It's time to take a close look at the whole Galaxy S24 lineup based on the most recent and accurate leaks. Since thanks to S24, Samsung is indeed moving flat on every device they manufacture. The Ultra was the lastly flagship to have the Edge display, and now they are actually going for a flat display, meaning the S23 Ultra is the last of its kind, putting an end to Samsung's legendary run of using the iconic Edge display. This may be great news for many people who prefer flat screens, but for those who prefer Edge displays, this will be the reality. Seeing at the bezels, we clearly observe that the S24 Plus will be the slimmest bezel handset of the whole lineup, and it is also getting the similar WQHD Plus solution as the S24 Ultra model. And what's genuinely bonkers is that each of the three phones will be rocking a 2500 nits brightness, according to the latest S24 report. Because Samsung has decided to go with a flat display, it indicates that the S23 Ultra is likely to appear more bezel-less than the S24 Ultra, which is insane to think. However, that is something to expect when going flat. So let me know what you think. Due to this has to be our closest look at how the whole S24 lineup will look when it gets to the front display. Of course, we don't know what Samsung will do on the back of the phone. Opportunities are there won't be big changes, but again a lot will be revealed and in the days to come. For those who are wondering exactly how the S24 Ultra will stack up upon the iPhone 15 Ultra and the 14 Pro, definitely looking much better than the 14 Pro, but the 15 Ultra looks to have slightly slimmer bezels. Again, we have to consider the dynamic build, which is of course going to be expensive. The batteries of all S24 models then appeared at a Korean certification site, revealing their capacity. The S24 Ultra will have the same 5000 mAh battery as the S23 Ultra, while the S23 Plus will have a 4900 mAh battery, up from 4700 on the S23, and the normal S24 will have a 4000 mAh battery, up from 3900 on the S23. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.